today we're going to start off with Dixie Belle's Cotton, Miss Lillian's Breakfast at Tiffany's, and Rosebud Chalk Paint. I am using a 32 plump from the Still Magnolia. There will be a discount code for you linked in the description. We are just going to take some of the cotton color first and make some diagonal strokes in no pattern whatsoever, and you can leave the center of the stainless exposed. Continuing on with those diagonal sporadic strokes, we're going to move on to our colors Rosebud and Breakfast at Tiffany's. Once your paint is all dry, mix up a little bit of epoxy and apply that really thinly to our cup. Now we're just going to follow along those diagonal stripes we added with some coordinating glitters. This chunky pink is called True Love. This is one of my favorite whites of all time. This one's called Cold as Ice. Then we're going to finish off with this dark mint color called Eye Candy. Let that epoxy cure for a couple hours, and then it's safe to add another coat on top. Once your first coat of epoxy has cured, we're going to add a thin second coat. Take 3 medicine cups and add about 5 milliliters of epoxy into each one, and then we are going to add some Luster Dust Pure into the one. some Frenchie from Woody's Goodies into the second one. And for the third one, I mixed Salamander Sparkle and Kentucky Bluegrass from Simply Sarah's Customs. While the epoxy is still wet on your cup, you're going to grab those 3 medicine cups that we just mixed in those mica powders, and we're just going to gradually add those powders in these thin stripes onto our cup in all 3 colors. Now I'm going to take my gloved finger and just gently smooth that epoxy down, and then in between colors I will be wiping my finger on a paper towel. Now I'm going to cut a piece of pattern vinyl that coordinates with the rest of the cup. I cut this one at 3.5 inches wide, and then I just measured top and bottom with a ruler to make sure I had it in the center. Wrap that piece around in the center, and then I just like to bend back where the vinyl meets up and cut it off with an X-Acto knife. I then cut 2 thin strips of pink vinyl and placed them on top and bottom. Now I'm going to cut my decal out of this pink cyan Tech Wrap Craft vinyl. And then I'm going to layer this cute soft pink vinyl on top. Then place that decal right in the center of our pattern vinyl. I also went ahead and cut out 2 lines of these mini hearts and added them to the top and bottom. And here is our tumbler all finished. These colors remind me so much of cotton candy, so I think we nailed the color palette here for our cute candy cup. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you would like more tips and tricks, join my Facebook group with the link in the description, and look for me on all other social media platforms. Thanks so much for watching, guys.